Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we bring you update on Affle India Limited and Marico Limited. Affle India Limited. Analyst retains buy on Affle India with an unchanged price target of Rs 6,580 rupees given its strong revenue growth potential, inorganic expansion into new markets and a presence in high growth markets. Affle completed the acquisition of Jampp at a reasonable valuation of 1.4 times its EV by revenue. This acquisition would expand its market presence in Latin America and North America, though it would be earnings dilutive in financial year 22. Affle is confident of expanding Jampp's EBITDA margin to high single digit within a year and improve it to company's level of around 25 to 27% by financial year 24. Further, Affle increased its stake in Bobble AI to 17.72% from 8% earlier for a cash consideration of Rs 341 million, which would help company to strengthen its presence with OEM and operators. The stock has corrected around 16% in last 1 month and stock trades at 58 times its FY23 earning estimates and 39 times its FY24 earning estimates. Presence in high growth verticals, robust CPCU business model and favorable industry tailwinds makes the management confident of clocking 25 to 30% CAGR in revenues over 5 years. Marico Limited. Analyst maintains buy on Marico with a revised price target of Rs 610. Marico's India business grew strongly by 30% while international business rose 20%, which will lead to a 26% revenue growth in first quarter FY22 led by a low base of quarter 1 FY21. 17% correction in copra prices would help operating margin to improve sequentially. The same is expected to be better off in second half FY22. Management is seeing demand improve as the second COVID-19 wave recedes. It stuck to its medium-term outlook of double-digit profit growth and a 8 to 10% rise in domestic volumes. We expect Marico's earning to grow a CAGR of 18% over FY21 to 23. The stock is currently trading at decent valuations of 41 times its FY23 earning estimates. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosure and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.